Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is for those plus size curvy ladies of all age groups. I would be sharing few tips on styling your sari that would make you hide your unwanted flaps and at the same time flaunt your curves. Stay tuned in. Tip number 1. Wear high waist. When saris are best suited for a curvy body, wearing a sari that reveals your tummy is a big thumbs down. Revealing the mid part of your body shall make you feel conscious about bulging flab around the hip or waist area. So, the best way to hide this is to wear your sari high waist or high hip. This not only hides your chubby mid portion but also makes your body look slimmer and taller. So, drape a sari that covers you aesthetically from your waist and makes you look sleek under the covers. Tip number 2. Keep your blouse lengthy. Covering up your tummy with a blouse is a fuss free idea. Do you remember old actress blouse designs? They never ever showed off their stomach. Simply follow that old fashioned style. Just ask your tailor to lengthen the yoke part of the blouse. These blouses not just serve the purpose but also gives a trendy look. Either you can design the yoke part with laces or frills so that the stomach is covered up fully. You could also try cape blouses. Cape blouse is the latest in the fashion industry. This chic blouse style is so good an option to cover up the tummy part because the cape comes up with overall work and is extended to the stomach to cover up your belly. Either you can go with a full cape or a semi cape blouse to get that enthralled appearance. Wear a jacket over your sari. This style instantly glam up your looks. Wear the short jacket over your traditional blouse. This takes care of hiding your tummy and that definitely would make you stand out in the crowd. Next thing would be wearing long jacket over sari. Long jacket over sari is a great way to add style and beauty to your sari. Wear the sari with the usual blouse and try wearing a long jacket on the top of the sari. These long jackets gives you an opportunity to play with colors. Tip number 3. Wear delicate looking saris. Choose fabrics that cling to your body and hug you naturally. Pick up lighter fabrics like georgette, crepe, satin, or chiffon. Broad border is a complete no-no for women who are on the heavier side. Go for saris without borders or subtle borders so that they can flow along you and not make you appear voluminous. Next, you can look slimmer by going in for smaller prints and designs or embroideries that are not spread too much on your sari. Colors do have a big influence on the weight your attire reflects on you. Dark colors are often big saviors. Go in for darker colors, your overflowing weight is suddenly pacified. Tip number 4. Wear broad neck blouses. Wearing broad neck blouses gives an illusion of long neck, thereby adding length to your appearance. This would obviously make you look slimmer. Try this out. Tip number 5. Pin up your sari pallu without pleating it. Very rarely you see any chubbier looking celebrity with pleated sari. They leave the pallu freestyled. Keep the pallu of the sari loosely open on your arm and avoid pleating it all on your shoulder. This way, you can easily divert attention away from your mid part of the body, which is usually the heaviest. Well, girls, these were the top 5 tips that would make you a fashion icon. Shall catch you soon with another interesting video. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share among your friends. For those who are visiting my channel for the first time, do consider subscribing to my channel for videos on fashion and styling. And for those who have already subscribed, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.